Hi everyone, it's John C. Morley, serial entrepreneur here, and I am really excited today. You know why? Well, I have my rainbow knife because I just got our studio lights, and I'm not even gonna wait. You could tell I'm not excited about opening these at all. I really don't care what's in this box. Okay, now that I've done this, gotta make sure we put our knife away nice and safely here. All right. That's heavy. That's not light. It looks like it's a big lunch bag for a picnic. Well, not really. Just take a look at these things. Quick show you see it here. Wow. Let's take a look at what's in there so you guys can see it. This looks cool. All right, let's see what we got in here. Well, one thing we got is a nice carrying case. All right, so I guess this is the remote control. What else is in here? Well, that's nice. What's in here? Let's see what's in here. Oh, these are the little covers for the lights to deflect light. What else we got in here? Oh, wow. Okay, look at that. Neat little box. And these are all the power cords. There's 3 of them. You've got your piece that plugs in the light, the other piece that goes right in here, and this piece that goes into your 3-pronged outlet. Great. We can't plug them in without power, right? Let's put that over here. All right, what's this on the top here? Looks like it comes with a stand. We're not going to really use the stand because we're going to mount ours in the ceiling. But it's nice that they give you a stand in the box. I will say that's nice. We're probably not going to use it, but it's nice that it comes with a stand. And it looks like it doesn't come with 1 stand, ladies and gentlemen. It comes with 3 stands. All right, that's a pretty big bonus. So I guess you get the 3 lights and you get the 3 stands. Didn't even know it was coming with stands. That was like a bonus. All right, we get some cards and some information, which nobody really cares about. Oh, and look at this. You even get little safety harnesses. We bought these extra, but they included some right in here, some basic ones. And then just the thing that's made in China. All right, pull these out nice and carefully. Ooh, wow, these look kind of hot. Really hot. So you got the place to put your 2 batteries. Turn around so you guys can see it a little better. You've got a place for your 2 batteries. You've got your CCT from 3200 all the way up to 5600K. You've got your intensity level. You've got your 1, 2, 3, 4. You can have different groups. You have modes. You can control the intensity from here. You've also got your place for your 2 batteries. Or, like I said, you can plug in the little adapter and the system will convert it. And it looks like in the front here, get this, it comes with these little barn doors, which I think is kind of neat. That's pretty nice. A lot of lights I've seen don't come with that. Really nice. Now, one thing I noticed is that if you want to add any of your adapters to this, you do have to unscrew these barn doors, which again is not hard. You're looking at 2, 4, 6, 8 screws that you'd have to take off before you could put any type of additional diffusers beside the standard protector cover. So really nice. So we basically have 3 of those that it comes with. And it looks like there's something else we get. What else do we get here? We get a lot of toys here. Now this is really cool. Oh, we get some mounting brackets. lights. Nice, and we get 3 of them. The reason that I was compelled to buying this one is because it actually has wireless technology that you don't even have to set up. Later on, we'll actually review these after we get them in our studio and just see how well that works out. I gotta tell you, you get a great value with this, and this case is nice. And if you're gonna go on the road, not for a picnic, but if you're gonna travel on the road with these lights, I mean, this is a nice, sturdy, pretty durable case to put your lights in. I definitely feel it protects it. And you know, they're even adjustable. Really nice. I'm happy with it. From what I can see, it's going to be a nice addition to our studio, and I feel that the way you can add different groups to it, which is what I had been reading about, which was one of the major reasons that actually drove me to buying these. By the way, we did buy them. We didn't get them from GVM. So I'm going to give you an unbiased review after we get these set up, and we have a chance to play with them and see, what's the luminance like, how does the settings work, the remote control, which we have here. Now, one thing I want to look at the remote control, because I'm big on this. All right. There's no battery in there. I was kind of hoping that it would come with a battery. It didn't. It looks like it uses 2 AAA batteries. That's something that always annoys me when you spend money on something and they can't throw in like a $1 battery. So I'm not happy with that, but I am pleased with what you get. And I have to tell you, the lights have a nice weight to them. They're not chintzy. I've held other studio lights, and if you breathe on them, they might fall over and break. So I am really excited to hook these up and get them mounted. I am John with the JMOR Unboxing channel, and go ahead and give us a thumbs up, click on the subscribe button, smash that bell notification icon, because I know you want to find out when I post new unboxing videos. By doing that, YouTube will serve it out to you and other people that want to learn about this. And if you really had fun today, like I did, then why not go below any one of our videos and look for that key phrase, help keep our content free. Click on the link below for PayPal and make that choice to buy my team and I a cup of coffee. We'll be so grateful with those pennies and dollars, and we'll invest them into more technology just like this. I'm John C. Morley, serial entrepreneur, and you have been watching the JMOR Unboxing channel.